Okay, so we finally joined the club and got us some Apple Watches. So I'm gonna unbox it and see what's in here. See the box here. I don't know if that'll show up, but that says Apple Watch there. No other markings or anything like that other than the UPC and all that stuff on there. Oops. Alright. This guy up. We'll dispense of that plastic there. Alright, there's that. Okay. Now, it's the case in which the watch is contained here. Just take that. There's an arrow there. Pull that down there. Alright. Put this wrapping paper to the side. Here's the case. You got an Apple logo there. The handle. Open it. It says Apple Watch Sport there. It's actually got a suede lining on the top of the case. We'll put that to the side. Here's the watch here. Here's the black one here. There's your plastic. You got instructions there on how to put it on. There's your sensors for the heart monitor. Then, case here. Underneath, keep looking here. See what you have here. This is an extra set there in case this is too small. If you have like a large, you have another size on here. So this is a small and medium band there. And again, you got some here that talks about some of the various features. Here, your apps, your notifications, glances, just kind of like, you know, with the swipe up on the phone. Your fitness activities, and you can do Apple Pay on here, and it has Force Touch as well. Some more information there on the back. And one last thing, we'll wrap this up. Alright, so here's your cord here. It's actually quite long. And here's your cube there as well. Alright, so that is the Apple Watch Sport. Again, I got the black colorway. I will set this up here momentarily, letting my other camera charge because I'll need to actually use the phone that I'm shooting off of, and I'll be back shortly and let you see that process. Alright, set that down. Peace.